Fueda House, a 1970s wooden house located in Fueda, Kamakura, Japan. Designed by ROOVICE with lead architect Maoko Sato, this house has been renovated to meet the needs of a young couple and their pets. Covering an area of 110 square meters, the project successfully balances functionality with smart design choices. This renovation preserves the original character of the house with a design approach that is not overly standardized. The walls feature a combination of finishes, including spray-textured coatings resembling exterior walls, alongside areas left in their original state. The result is a relaxed, slightly mismatched look that adds to the home's charm. With its spacious garden, this house offers a comfortable and open atmosphere. One of the major changes is the expansion of the previously compact kitchen. Now the kitchen features an L-shaped layout that enhances functionality, providing more space for cooking activities. The countertop is made of hard plaster, chosen for its durability and ability to age gracefully over time. Meanwhile, the flooring in the living dining kitchen, LDK area, has been updated with PVC long sheet flooring, a practical choice that makes cleaning easier, especially in a home with pets. The most striking feature of Fueda House is the lightwell in the living room, which allows natural daylight to stream in through narrow windows, creating a bright and open atmosphere. To further enhance this effect, several walls on the first floor have been removed, connecting the living room with the kitchen and the former tatami room. Exposed wooden pillars not only maintain structural integrity, but also add warmth to the interior. The ceilings in the kitchen and former tatami room were removed to reveal wooden beams, adding rustic charm and reinforcing the sense of openness. Additionally, the entrance was integrated into the living area, creating a seamless and welcoming transition. One of the unique aspects of this renovation is its pet-friendly design. Each doorway includes special pathways for pets to move freely, and custom-built catwalks provide vertical spaces for cats to explore. These thoughtful features make the home more accommodating for both humans and animals. Upstairs, unnecessary partitions were removed to create a more open and efficient layout. The tatami mats and carpets were replaced with oak wooden flooring, offering a cohesive look and improved practicality for modern living with pets. The renovation of Fueda House brings thoughtful and practical improvements tailored to the needs of its residents. With simple yet effective updates, this house is now a more comfortable, functional, and peaceful place for both its owners and their pets. This project showcases how good design does not have to be excessive. Rather, it simply requires an understanding of needs and the optimization of existing spaces. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more home design inspirations from Block 7. See you in the next video.